Hey guys, what's going on? Profit Products here, coming at you with another video. We're starting off in the car today, about to go head out to Value Village. Beautiful day out today. We'll see what we can find. We might hit a Frenchie's after, depending on what we get. But let's get into it. Let's go. Alright guys, just arrived at Value Village. It is packed. We're at the very back of the parking lot. That's okay. We're going to show you the fit right quick. Tommy Hilfiger shorts, socks and sandals. You know how it is. Let's get it. Alright guys, we're in here, super busy. I was able to scoop these Columbia pants. I also have the matching jacket for those. Dope North Face brown Apex jacket, Adidas windbreaker jacket, a Polo Ralph Lauren turtleneck, a button-up shirt. Not sure I'll get that one. This awesome vintage Wrangler with the full Najavo print, as well as a new school Nike Manny Pacquiao jersey jacket type deal. We also have a Champion Adelphi University sweater. Never seen one of those. Dope carbon Canada ski team sweater. This dope brown Speedo vintage shorts with a slight glimmer, and a Adidas jersey style shirt, very thin, great for the summer. Oh yeah, and one more thing, these bad boys. Ooh. All right, and we're out of Value Village. Got a couple extra things on the way out. Forgot I didn't stop at the shirts. Let's get into it. We're going back home, baby. BRB. Oh, and we're back. It's about 2 days later, but we finally made it back home. Got a little lost. All good though. All right, let's get right into this. We'll start off with the stuff we got from the Thrift, aka Value Village. We got a dope Adidas half zip anorak jacket. We got the turtleneck / mock neck polo long sleeve. We got this dope Adelphi University Champion hoodie. Super dope. Never seen one of those before. Not even sure what university or where it is. But next we got the vintage Speedo trunks. Dope. The Manny Pacquiao jacket. That's awesome. This sick Wild West Wrangler print button up. The North Face brown Apex with the both embroidered on the front and the back jacket. Not bad. The Adidas bright yellow jersey style shirt. And then I also got two shirts which I didn't show. I got this Charlotte Hornets shirt, nice print, and this WWE, not too sure, never really watched WWE as a kid, but a full print, had the older tag on it, dope shirt, and as well as the finds of that day. These beautiful Tommy Hilfiger flip-flops. Oh, bud. Might keep those for the personal. And then onto the packages. We got a couple of grails today. Start off with this one coming in from Vintage Steals on Instagram. We got the dope color blocked Polo by Ralph Lauren. Oh, upside down. Color blocked with the Cross Flags logo right there on the sleeve. Sweater. This is amazing. Super rare, hard to come by. Had to scoop this one up. Thank you so much, Vintage Steals, for that. Appreciate it. Next. Aha, just got this off Depop a couple days ago. Shout out to you. It's this vintage striped Guess Jeans USA shirt, size XL with the spell out, vintage tag, great condition. Thank you so much. It's amazing. Woo. Got that for a steal. Huge shout out. Next, some more Guess. I've been waiting on these for a little while. Boom. There is vintage Guess. Open it up. There it is. Brand new with the tags. Guess jeans. No, Guess USA shorts, but they're striped all AF, which is fire. Haven't seen these ever in this colorway. Thank you so much from the guy from eBay. Appreciate that. I'll put that into the collection. Thank you. And another packages before we get into the boxes. Alright, and we're back, sorry. Somebody decided to start up the vacuum. But coming up next, also from Depop, got this from the UK. Fire. More stripes. So many stripes this episode. Boss. Huge embroidery. Striped sweatshirt. That is amazing. Size large to extra large. Thank you very much for that. Whew, that's dope. And on to the boxes. We got coming in from Throwback Vault on eBay. You can also check them out on Instagram though. They got tons of fire. Straight out of Toronto. I'm waiting for this. Oh yeah. See that? See that print? We got the not vintage Polo by Ralph Lauren parka Aztec print all throughout. Very minimal wear. This is amazing. Still has great fur, good condition. This is by Denim and Supply Ralph Lauren, I believe. Yes, there's the tag. That's amazing. Might have to keep this one for the personal. Woo! That is a grail! Oh man, that's so sick. Thank you very much, Throwback Vault. And last but not least, coming in from my boys over at Offsuited. He scooped up this nice steep tech, so I was like, I might have to snag that off you. And I thought about it for a little bit, and then I did it, and here it is. It's fire. Are you ready? Oh. Ooh, with the little off-suited measuring tape. Ooh. Oh, dope. Thank you very much. Nice little note. Dear Luke Profit thing. Hell yeah. All the time. Love you, off-suited. always a pleasure. Here we go. Boom. There it is. The North Face Steep Tech. Put it like that. Jacket, it is a size small but fits to a medium to large. Dope embroidery all throughout. With the fur hood or collar as well. That's amazing. And also, I saw on Kijiji probably a day after getting that steep tie jacket, I got this awesome XXL yellow steep tech, kind of like the Supreme collab they did a little while back. Not too bad condition. That's awesome. Just thought I'd show that off a little bit. Alright, that'll conclude this thrift and unboxing video. Hope you all enjoyed. Appreciate all the support. You guys keep on showing me those L's, those C's, and those S's. Keep on coming in. I appreciate it. This has been Luke Profit Products, and we'll see you next video. Peace.